Good morning. Welcome to live classes. Narayana live classes. Class 7, class 8. Date 1st July 2020. Our lesson is forest using and protection. Children, today we are discussing about assignments. The first question is, what is forest? Yes, forest is a collection of trees which are growing naturally. Once again, the forest, the collection of trees which are growing naturally, protected by the government. That is called forest. So here, the forest, then here the different types of forests are there at present. Then you have one doubt, sir, the forest different means number of and trees are there, and then what are those? Means here number of forests are, that's why I am saying number of forests, and each one group of and trees is not a forest. Naturally, which are growing naturally, which are growing and itself, that is called forest. Right. Then go to second question. What are the different types of forest? Here, different types of forests are there. There are four types of forest. The first one is evergreen forest. Second one is deciduous forest. Third one is thorny forest. Fourth one is swampy forest. Okay, children, how many? 4 parts. How many types? 4 types. Evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny forest, swampy forest. Right? How many? 4 types. Evergreen, deciduous, thorny and swampy. Right? Next, third question. Evergreen forests are located in which areas of India? Evergreen forests, once again listen children, evergreen forests are located in which areas of India? Where are the most rainfall is occurred, more than 100 to 200 centimeters of rainfall and occurred, at there evergreen forest is appear in India, and we are receiving at 2 important places. Number 1, Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Number 2, Himalayas. So in these two areas, most of the evergreen forest is appear, especially in the surroundings of the means in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, the two important states are and getting more rainfall. Number 1, Karnataka. Number 2, Kerala. Why the Karnataka and Kerala getting more rainfall? Because these two are located in the Western Ghats. These two are located in the Western Ghats. Then what is that one? Southwest monsoon starts from Kerala. This is a starting point of the southwest monsoons. Then the west means, so what is that? Karnataka is one of the important state which is located and in the Western Ghat. Is it right? Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala, these are situated in the Western Ghats. So those are, they have evergreen forest. At the same time, and in the northern end portion and highest and mountain ranges, so those also receiving heavy rainfall. That's why evergreen forest occurred at that places. Okay, children. So, and these two are means in our and country. There are another important Himalayan regions. And the next one is Maharashtra. So western portion of Maharashtra, these are important places and for receiving more rainfall. So what happened here? Means where are the most of the evergreen forest is located? The evergreen forest is located Karnataka, Kerala, Himalayan regions and as well as in some portion of the Maharashtra. Okay children, have a nice day. Thank you.